Baba tayo, Joy. Baba tayo, Joy.
Follow me. Right this way. I almost bounced right out of the ride. Have a look at the noodles. Still honey. Still honey.
Bye. Baka kung medyo after.
Ayun pala tayo sa mirror. Picture maganda pa.
Look out, right in the middle of a cloud burst. It got flying like foggy. First the wind, and now this.
Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious.
Oh, yes, we'll save you, Caitlin. A very big waterfall. At last, the rain went away, and everyone gathered together to say,
您乘坐的奇怪很快就要启动，谢谢。我哋嘅故事。